Rare baby ghost shark, double shark story, double daily, double dog dare ya. Spotted off the coast of New Zealand. I think this is another.
Whoa.
Oh, man. That's.
Have you
If I saw that, I would not say shark.
Yeah.
But, you know, the fins on the side almost look like leaves. It's very strange looking. It's known as a chimera.
It does kind of look like a feather.
The deep ocean fish is hardly ever seen by humans, and babies are even more elusive. Marine biologists working near New Zealand's South Island have stumbled upon a newly hatched baby ghost shark, an elusive and peculiar fish that lives in the dark, deep ocean. Man, down there, you got no idea, Mo. Let me tell you something. 3,940 feet. That's 1,200 meters. You got no idea, Mo.
Oh, is that an adult version?
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
Yeah.
I mean, that's cool looking.
Yeah.
A
How big
ghost
is
shark.
Yeah, well, listen, there's no light down there.
Exactly.
There's a lot of translucent, transparent, different.
Being translucent would work in your benefit. You're more invisible.
Yeah, you see right through you.
Yeah.
Try to, you can't catch
see
me.
me.
You can't, yeah.
John Cena.
And these are the egg capsules.
Those look delicious.
Whoa.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Oh, man. Talk about a delicacy.
Yeah.
This